Hello guys, it's me Abhilash. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to change the ratchet feel inside this stick, and then how to increase the tension of the gimbals in Radiomaster TX16. Okay, so I learned this from Mr. Steel. Okay, yeah, you can go and check out that video also. Okay, then for this upgrade you need 2.5 hex screwdriver and 1.5 hex screwdriver. Okay, so and one star screwdriver, or you can say Phillips screwdriver, I'm not sure. Okay, let's start removing the side plates. Okay, and this will come off simply like this. So yeah. Yes, and then you have to remove these screws. Okay, yeah, let's use and you also need one more screwdriver, that is 2. Okay, number 2 hex screwdriver, this one. Okay, yeah, so just keep a track of these screws, so you should not lose this one. So I'll put it in my screwdriver box only. Let me turn off auto focus. Okay, so yeah, so these two you can put it one side. Okay, and these two yes. And I forgot to tell you, before removing any electronics you have to first cut the power. Okay, let me take out the battery. Okay, just remove the battery first and then do all the circus. Okay, now I have removed these 4 screws, and then by using 2.5 mm hex screwdriver you have to remove the top 2 screws near the antenna. Okay, so yeah, so these are little bit small screws. Okay, so keep it aside. And then this one also. Okay, then you have to pull the antenna first outside like this. Okay, don't pull it hard. Okay, and then hold the back handle and remove like this. And there are 2 connectors you have to first remove before this, that is this speaker wires. You can keep it aside and then you can disconnect like this. Okay, yes, okay, yeah. Next is, let me zoom a little bit. Okay, Yeah. So yeah, this is the throttle gimbal. Okay. Yes. This is the throttle gimbal. Okay. Here you can feel some tension, that is like you can feel like a ratchet feeling, so we will remove that one. So this will cause you precision. If you want to do some precision movement, then it will affect you, so that's why we will remove that one. Okay, so for that one we'll use this Phillips screws. So first what you have to do is this one, the right side, this is the right side screw is there, no? This one you have to lose it until your gimbal moves freely. Yeah, now the ratchet thing is completely removed. Let me loosen it a little bit. So yeah, yes, that is completely gone. Okay, and then you have to tight this one, okay, to give little bit tension for the throttle stick. See, it is little bit very loose, so we will give some more tension. A little bit more. Just adjust based on your requirement. Okay, yeah. You can try like this. Yes. Okay, then what I recommend is you have to give little bit tension for this yaw stick also. For this yaw stick I want you to give some tension, so that whenever you're making some adjustment, you will not be affecting the yaw stick. So let's do that one by using 1.5 mm hex. And to increase the tension, you have to, there is a hole, small hole next to the, on the top of the spring. Okay, in that one there is a hex nut. Find it and then turn it anti-clockwise. Okay, so if you turn anti-clockwise, then it will create tension. Anti-clockwise, or like you have to loosen it. Okay, and then you can feel like, oh yeah, it is giving some tension now. Yeah, you can do it based on your requirement. I'm going to loosen it a little bit more. So yeah, yes guys, same thing. You can do it on the opposite stick also, that is for roll and pitch. Okay, then yeah, I did the same thing on the roll and pitch. Okay, sorry. Yes guys, I have put back all the screws and the body. So the same thing you can do for the roll and pitch also. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, the build video I will be uploading it soon. Okay, so you can check that one also. Okay, thank you, bye.